Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, how are you guys?
I'm good. How about you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I am fine too, Alhamdulillah. Okay, guys, could you read to me what you can see on the screen?
Tuesday, week 2.
Very good, very good. Learning English with Music, June 2026, Tuesday week 2, meaning that the screen is functioning very, very well. Okay, now I want you to write down the date and the day for today, which is today is 9th June 2026, and today is Tuesday. And then I would like to tell you about the rules during online learning. First one is you have to be very, very quiet during the explanation. Number two, please focus in the class and make sure there are no noises around you. Number three, raise your hand if you want to show that you have done your job. And also raise your hand if you want to ask me something. Just use the button in your Zoom devices. Number four, write down the notes that you can see on the screen. And the last one is communicate, meaning that you have to take part in the learning activity throughout the session. So these are the 5 rules that you need to know during online learning. Okay, guys, before we start our class, I'm saying hello, Amin. Hi, Afan. Hello, Aiman. Hello, Anas. Hello, Amar. And hello, Hanania. Welcome back. Welcome to the second session of June 2026. Kamu perasan tak malam ni semua nama huruf, semua bunyi depan dia A. Amin, Afan, Aiman, Anas, Amar, Anania. Nampak tak? Semua berbunyi dengan huruf consonant dengan huruf consonant dengan vowels A. Okey, kita teruskan kelas kita pada hari ini. So akan tunjukkan topik pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. So we going to learn about conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs. Kita akan belajar tentang adverbs. So sila salin tajuk untuk hari ini.
Dah.
Dah. Yang lain sudah. Okay, thank you. Good job. So kita akan perkenalkan what are conjunctive adverbs. Apa itu conjunctive adverb? Conjunctive adverbs are words that connect and relate to independent clauses or sentences. They show relationship such as cause and effect, contrast, comparison, time, or sequence. So, conjunctive adverb adalah perkataan-perkataan yang menghubungkan. Yang menghubungkan apa? Menghubungkan dan mengaitkan di antara dua klausa ataupun ayat yang independen, maksudnya yang boleh berdikari lah. Okay. They show relationship, mereka menunjukkan perhubungan such as seperti cause and effect, sebab dan akibat. Berikutnya kontras, perbandingan. Kontras tu macam perbezaan, comparison, perbandingan, time, masa, or sequence. Sequence tu maksudnya turutan lah. Okay, sila salin, siapa dah siap angkat tangan. Kalau dah siap angkat tangan. Dah ke belum?
Belum.
Okey, teruskan. Dua orang dah siap. Lagi dua.
Sat.
Ahmad, sudah Ahmad?
Sekejap
Dah
sir.
siap?
Belum.
Okey.
Siap dah sir.
Dah siap. Okey. Good job. Very good, Ahmad. Okey, semua boleh turunkan tangan. Okey, what are conjunctive error? Ada lima. However, moreover, therefore, meanwhile, dengan nevertheless. Lima benda ni untuk conjunctive adverbs. Sila salin, siapa dah siap boleh angkat tangan. Thank you, Arfan. Good job. Amma dengan Hananya. So ada 5, however, therefore, moreover, meanwhile dan juga nevertheless lah. Kita guna dalam karangan. Kenapa seperkenalkan ni? Walaupun dia adalah grammar, one part of the grammar, tetapi digunakan dalam karangan. Digunakan dalam penulisan. So you need to know, mesti tahu benda-benda ni supaya mutu karangan kamu meningkat. Okay, thank you. Semua dah siap. Turunkan tangan semua. So, kita akan go one by one, apa itu however dan sebagainya. So, kita buat however dulu, kemudian akan ke therefore dan ke seterusnya lah. So, however, sambil seserangkan sila tulis, indicate a contrast between two ideas. Dia menunjukkan perbezaan di antara dua idea. Contoh ayat dia. She loves to dance, however, she hates performing in front of large crowds. Nampak tak? Dia punya pertentangan dia tu. Dia punya perbezaan dia tu. Dia suka menari, however, tetapi dia benci performing, membuat persembahan in front of large crowd. Di hadapan khalayak ramai. Okay, siapa dah salin? Boleh angkat tangan. Thank you, Afan. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Lagi 3 orang. Apa ni? Samsung SMA34 baru masuk Baru masuk ke? Okay, thank you. Teruskan berikutnya. Turunkan tangan anda. Okay, kita nak tengok therefore indicates a result or conclusion. Menunjukkan keputusan ataupun kesimpulan. Contoh ayat, he study hard for the exam, therefore he got an A. Dia belajar, rajin belajar untuk exam, therefore maka he got an A. Dia mendapat A. Okey, sila salin. Okay. Thank you, Amin. Amar dah siap ke belum? Samsung SM dah siap ke belum? Okay, thank you so much. Belum lagi? Tukar nama, tak mau guna nama Samsung, guna nama sebenar supaya senang saya nak panggil. Boleh pergi next.
Boleh, sir.
Okay. Muzamil, Aiman, Amar.
Boleh, sir. Boleh.
Siapa yang terkeluar tadi Okay, tak apa. Berikutnya. Moreover. Moreover indicates an addition to the previous idea. And indicates an addition to the previous idea. Maksudnya apa? Menunjukkan penambahan. Addition tu penambahan. To the previous other idea. Untuk idea yang sebelum itulah yang kamu cakap pertama tu. Contohnya, example. She is a talented musician. Moreover, she is an accomplished athlete. Dia merupakan pemuzik yang berbakat, titik. Moreover, tambahan lagi, she is an accomplished athlete. Dia adalah atlet yang accomplish itu berjaya lah. Okay, so itulah penggunaan moreover. Sila salin. Thank you. Anas, Amar, dah siap ke belum? Thank you. Very good. Kita tengok berikutnya. Meanwhile. Okay. Apa itu meanwhile? Indicate that two actions are happening simultaneously. mengatakan bahawa dua aksi ataupun dua perbuatan sedang berlaku seren. Example, he was cooking dinner. Dia tengah masak makan malam. Meanwhile, sementara itu, she was setting the table. Dia sedang setting meja lah. Okey, sila salin. Siapa dah siap angkat tangan. Thank you. Muzamil, Amar dah siap belum? Thank you. Very good. Berikutnya, nevertheless, indicate a contrast between two ideas but with a caveat. Example, he can be stubborn, nevertheless, he is a loyal friend. Thank you. Indicate a contrast between two ideas but with a caveat. Peringatan lah. Amaran, peringatan. He can be stubborn, nevertheless he is a loyal friend. Macam itulah pada peringatan begitu. Dah? Thank you. Thank you so much. Muzamil, Aiman.
Ya,
Dah
sir.
kan? Okay, thank you. Very good. Turunkan korang punya tu. Kita buat practice A. Okay, sebelum saya panggil seorang-seorang, baca dulu soalan dalam hati. Okay, baca dulu soalan. Okay. Saya nak tanya, siapa nak jawab dulu? Saya tak panggil seorang-seorang dulu. Saya nak tanya, siapa nak jawab soalan ini? Siapa nak jawab soalan ini?
Saya, sir.
Saya.
Apa?
Saya, sir.
Oh, yang tadi tu. Siapa-siapa lah. Cepat jawab. Buka je mikrofon terus jawab.
It was a beautiful day at the beach. However, the strong wind made swimming difficult.
Thank you, however. Okay, tak perlu salin ha. Ini tengok je. Nanti balik salin kat rumah. Okay, Amin.
I study hard for the exam. Wait, teacher. Therefore, I feel confident going in.
Very good. Thank you, Amin. Afan. Afan tu Muzamil. Kenapa berlari nama lagi ni? Tadi Muzamil ke jawab tadi?
Tadi saya, sir.
Oh, tadi Afan. Okay, sekarang Muzamil pula.
Hey, teacher. Sekejap. Exercise is good for your less healthy. However, it can also boost your mood.
Jawapannya moreover. Baca balik.
Exercise is good for your less healthy. Moreover, it can also boost your mood.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Berikutnya Aiman.
The firefighter battered the blaze. Meanwhile, the police evacuated nearby homes.
Betul. Thank you, Aiman. Anas.
Yes, sir.
Teruskan.
The project faced many challenges. Meanwhile, the team persevered and finished on time.
Ini jawapan dia. Baca balik.
The project faced many challenges. Nevertheless, the team persevered and finished on time.
Okay, very good. The project faced many challenges. Nevertheless, walau bagaimanapun, The team persevered and finished on time. Thank you, Aiman kan. Anas, satu tiga Anas. Berikutnya Amar.
I love spending time with my friends. I also need some quiet time alone to recharge. Uh,
I love spend, no, I love spending time with friends. Tapi walau bagaimanapun, I also need some quiet time for myself.
however,
Yeah, however. Thank you. Tadi siapa tadi? Amar kan? Okay, Hanania.
The battery life on this phone is terrible. I need to keep a charger with me at all times.
Jawapan?
Moreover,
Moreover tu.
yeah,
The battery life on this phone is terrible. Bateri tu tak bagus. Maka, I need to keep a charger with me at all times. Saya kena simpan charger bersama saya sepanjang masa. So, jawapan yang mana?
never this.
Therefore. Okay, cuba baca balik.
The battery life on this phone is terrible. Therefore, I need to keep a charger with me at all times.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Berikutnya, Muzammil.
Yes, sir.
Teruskan.
Reading is a great way to learn new things.
Maka, tambahan lagi,
Therefore, moreover, it
Okay,
can
baca
also
awal sampai
improve
habis.
and generation.
Baca balik pada awal, Muzammil.
Reading is a great way to learn new things. Moreover, it can also improve your focus and concentration.
Okay, thank you. Berikutnya Amin.
The cake was baking in the oven. Meanwhile, I whipped up some frosting.
Ya, betul. Meanwhile.
Come,
Okay, berikutnya. Tadi Amin kan tadi kan? Tadi Amin kan? Sekarang kita minta Afan pula. Afan ke sekarang? Sekeliru lah nama
Yes,
bila... Afan, saya jawab.
Instructions seem complicated. Nevertheless, I decided to give a try and managed to build the bookshelf successfully.
Very good, nevertheless. Thank you. Okay, ramai-ramai kita akan pergi ke practice B. Okay. So, kita mempersilakan Aiman.
The movie had a great plot. However, the acting was a bit disappointing.
Mm-hmm. Ever. Thank you, Aiman. Berikutnya, Fandi. Fandi pula. Aiman, Anas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cuba jawab.
We need to leave early to avoid traffic. However,
We need to leave early to avoid traffic. Maka let them to be out the door by 7 p.m. Out the door, nak guna apa tu? Apa tu? Day 4 ke, moreover ke, apa ke?
moreover,
Ya. Betul. Dia. Ya, day 4. Baca balik.
we need to leave early to avoid traffic. Therefore, let them to be out the door by 7 p.m.
Okay. We need to leave early to avoid traffic itu adalah punca. Akibat dia, therefore let's aim to be out the door by 7 p.m. Alang-alang lewat kita, therefore maka dengan itu kita keluar sekolah ke apa sebelum pukul 7 p.m. Okay, thank you. Berikutnya kita Tadi Aiman kan Anas kan tadi? Sekeliru ni, sekarang siapa?
Anas.
Tadi Anas kan?
Yes.
Okay, kalau tadi Anas, sekarang Ammar lah. Okay, baca dan jawab.
She's a talented artist. However, meanwhile, she's also a gifted musician.
Okay. Ni jawapan dia. Okay, cuba baca balik.
She's a talented artist. Moreover, she's also a gifted musician.
Okay, good job. She's a talented artist. Moreover, she also a gifted musician. Nampak dia talent dan juga kesan dia jadi artis yang gifted lah. Tambahan. Moreover tu tambahan lagi lah. So, she also give a gifted woman, a gifted musician. Musician berbakat. Okay, tadi siapa tadi? Ammar kan?
Yes.
Okay, sekarang Hanania. Baca dan jawab.
The kids were playing outside. The adult we having a conversation inside.
Okay. The kids were playing outside. Sementara itu.
Meanwhile,
Okay. Meanwhile. Sorry, tulis sambung. Okay. Meanwhile. The adult were having conversation inside. Okay, good job. Berikutnya tadi Ammar kan, Hanania.
dah sir.
Hanania silakan. Okay, Muzzammil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, baca dan jawab.
He was feeling nervous about the presentation. Meanwhile, he managed to deliver it confidently.
Ini jawapan dia, nevertheless. Okay, cuba baca balik.
He was feeling nervous about the presentation. Nevertheless, he managed to deliver it confidently.
Amin, teruskan.
I want to go for a walk. Uh, However, it started pouring rain as soon as I stepped outside.
Very good. However, okay. It started pouring rain as soon as I step outside. Okay, thank you. Tadi sama Amin kan? Berikutnya,
Welcome.
Afan.
Yes, yes. We
Teruskan.
need to buy groceries. Therefore, let's make a list before heading to the store.
So, jawapan Afan apa?
Therefore,
Betul, therefore. Thank you, Afan. Good job. Berikutnya, Aiman.
Traveling is a great way to experience new cultures.
Tambahan lagi.
Moreover, it can broaden your perspective on the world.
Okay, jawapannya moreover betul. Moreover. Okay. Very good. Tadi tadi siapa tadi? Anas ke Amar? Amar ke tadi? Amar? Amar. Tadi Amar ke tadi? Oh, tadi Aiman.
Saya tadi.
Okay, thank you. Berikutnya Hanania.
The computer was running a virus scan. I decided to organize my disk.
The computer was running a virus scan. Dalam masa yang sama, saya nak urus meja saya.
However,
Jawapan, dalam masa yang sama. Apa itu dalam masa yang sama dalam bahasa Inggeris? Baca balik. Baca semua.
The computer was running a virus scan. Meanwhile, I needed to organize my disk.
Very good. Meanwhile, I decided to organize my desk. Okay, good job. Berikutnya mempersilakan Afan. Afan, teruskan.
public speaking can be intimidating. There.
Ya.
However, with practice, you can become more comfortable with it.
Sebenarnya jawapannya
Nevertheless.
adalah nevertheless. Sebab nevertheless, sebab dia adalah soalan amaran.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Sekarang, saya akan panggil semua, kamu kena baca. Saya akan bagi dari sinilah. Okay, kita bila kamu Zamil baca.
Yes, sir.
Okay, teruskan baca.
Convention adverbs. Convention of words are words that connected are related to an independent clause or sentence. They show relation such as cause and effort, contracts, compression, time, or question. What are convention verbs? However, therefore, more, moreover, meanwhile, nevertheless. Indicators a contrast between two ideas. Example, she loved to dance. However, she hate performing in front of large crowds. Induction are rules of correlation. Example, he study hard for the exam. Therefore, he got a A. Indicators are addition to the previous idea. Example, she is a talented musician. Moreover, she is a accomplished athlete. Indicates that two actions are happening simulation. Example, he was cooking dinner. Meanwhile, she was eating the table, setting the table. Indication of correlation between two ideas, but with a curve. Example, he can be stubborn. Nevertheless, he is a loyal friend.
Thank you so much, Muzamil. Very good. Thank you so much. Berikutnya Amin, ready?
Sir,
Ya,
baca jawapannya sekali ke?
betul. Lengkap.
Oh,
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
choose the right conditions. It was a beautiful day at the beach. However, the strong wave made swimming difficult. I studied hard from the exam. Therefore, I felt confident going in. Exercise is good for your physical health. Moreover, it can also boost your mood. The firefighter battled the blaze. Meanwhile, the police evacuation nearby homes. The project faced many challenges. Nevertheless, the team performed and finished on time. I love spending time with friends. However, I also need some quiet time alone to recharge. The battery life on this phone is terrible. Therefore, I need to keep a charger with me at all times. Reading is a great way to learn new things. Moreover, it can also improve your focus and concentration. The cake was baking in the oven. Meanwhile, I whipped up some frosting. The instruction seemed complicated. Nevertheless, I decided to give it a try and managed to build the bookshelf successfully.
Okay, thank you, Amin. Berikutnya saya mempersilakan Afan. Afan,
Yeah.
teruskan.
The movie had a great plot. However, the acting was a bit disappointing. We need to leave early to avoid traffic. Therefore, let's aim to be out the door by 7 p.m. She is a talented artist. Moreover, she also a gifted musician. The kids were playing outside. Meanwhile, the adults were having a conversation inside. He was feeling nervous about the presentation. Nevertheless, he managed to deliver it confidently. I wanted to go for a walk. However, it started pouring rain as soon as I stepped outside. We need to buy groceries. Therefore, let's make a list before heading to the store. Traveling is a great way to experience new cultures. Moreover, it can broaden your perspective on the world. The computer was running the virus scan. Meanwhile, I decided to organize my desk. Public speaking can be intimidating. Nevertheless, with practice, you can become more comfortable with it.
Teruskan Aiman. Aiman, dipersilakan Aiman.
Conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs are words that connect and relate to independent clauses or sentences. They show relationships such as cause and effect, contrast, comparison, time, or sequence.
Teruskan.
However, therefore, moreover, meanwhile, nevertheless.
Teruskan.
However, indicate a contrast between two ideas. Example, she loves to dance. However, she hates performing in front of large crowds.
Teruskan.
Therefore, indicate a result or conclusion. Example, he studied hard for the exam. Therefore, he got an A.
Thank you. Teruskan.
Moreover, indicate an addition to the previous idea. Example, she is a talented musician. Moreover, she is an accomplished athlete.
Teruskan.
Meanwhile, indicate that two actions are happening simultaneously. Example, he was cooking dinner. Meanwhile, she was setting the table. Nevertheless, indicate a contrast between two ideas but with a caveat. Example, he can be a stubborn. Nevertheless, he is a loyal friend.
Okey. Caveat ni maksudnya apa tau? Dia maksudnya adalah peringatan, amaran ni kan. Nampak? He can be stubborn. Dia sangat nakal. Itu amaran dia. Nevertheless, he is a loyal friend. Walau bagaimanapun, dia kawan yang setia. Thank you. Tadi siapa? Aiman ke tadi kan?
Ya.
Aiman kan baca tadi. Afan ke Aiman?
Saya.
Aiman bacakan. Okey, berikutnya mempersilakan Anas.
Yes, sir.
Okey, teruskan Anas.
It was a beautiful day at the beach. However, the strong waves made swimming difficult. I studied hard for the exam, therefore I felt confident going in.
Teruskan.
Exercise is good for your physical health. Moreover, it can also boost your mood.
Teruskan.
The firefighters battled the blaze. Meanwhile, the police ambushing nearby homes.
Okay, teruskan.
The project faced many challenges. Nevertheless, the team persevered and finished on time.
Teruskan.
I love spending time with friends. However, I also need some quiet time alone to recharge.
Teruskan.
The battery life on this phone is terrible. Therefore, I need to keep a charger with me at all times.
Okay, teruskan.
Reading is a great way to learn new things. Moreover, it can also improve your focus and concentration.
Teruskan.
The cake was baking in the oven. Meanwhile, I whipped up some frosting.
Okay. Teruskan.
The instructions seem complicated. Nevertheless, I decided to give it a try and managed to build the bookshelf successfully.
Very good. Berikutnya mempersilakan Ammar.
The movie had a great plot, however, the acting was a bit disappointing.
Okay, very good. Teruskan.
We need to leave a limit to avoid traffic. Therefore, let's aim to be out the door by 7 p.m.
Teruskan.
She's a talented artist. Moreover, she's also a gifted musician.
Good job. Teruskan.
The kids were playing outside. Meanwhile, the adults were having a conversation inside. He
Teruskan.
was feeling nervous about the presentation. Nevertheless, he managed to deliver it confidently.
Teruskan.
I want to go for a walk. However, it started pouring rain as soon as I stepped outside.
Okay. As soon, bukan as soon, as soon. Teruskan.
We need to buy groceries. Therefore, let's make a list before heading to the store.
Teruskan.
Traveling is a great way to experience new cultures. Moreover, it can broaden your perspective on the world.
Teruskan.
The computer was ruining a virus scan. Meanwhile, I decided organize my desk.
Teruskan.
Public speaking can be intimidating. Nevertheless, with practice, you can become more comfortable with it.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Berikut kita mempersilakan Hanania. Okay, ready? Go.
The movie had great plot. However, the acting was a bit disappointing.
Okay, teruskan.
We need to leave early to avoid traffic. The phone less and to be out the door by 7 p.m.
Teruskan.
She a talented artist. Moreover, she also a gifted musician.
Okay, teruskan.
The kids were playing outside, meanwhile the adults were having a conversation inside.
Okay. Teruskan.
He was feeling nervous about the question. Nevertheless,
Jelas.
he deliver,
Manage.
managed to deliver it confidently.
Teruskan.
I want to go for a walk, however, it started pouring rain as soon as I stepped outside.
Hmm.
We need to buy groceries. The front, let's make a list before heading to the store.
Okay, teruskan.
Traveling is a great way to experience new countries. Moreover, it can broaden your perspective on the world.
Okay, good job. Teruskan.
The computer was running a virus scan while I needed to organize my disk.
Okay, teruskan.
Public speaking can be intimidating. Nevertheless, we practice, you can become more comfortable with it.
Okay, good job. Thank you so much. So today we have learned about conjunctive adverb lah. Kamu perasan tak dia menghubungkan dua ayat dia tak hubungkan dia jadi satu ayat tak. Dia ayat pertama, lepas tu dia guna ayat kedua, dia letak saja conjunctive adverb tu, dia letak yang antara lima ni, terus ayat yang pertama digabungkan dengan ayat kedua. Itu yang dimasukkan dengan conjunctive adverb. Okay guys, kita sampai di penghujung rancangan. Saya minta kamu untuk salin nota dan hantarkan kepada saya dalam tempoh 24 jam. Kita jumpa lagi pada sesi ketiga. Assalamualaikum
Thank you, sir.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone.
Next, bye.
You, sir.
Good night.